Om. कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानादं को न याति परां गतिं यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषं कोष्पतीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायण महामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् अञ्जनानन्दनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशम् अक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्काभयङ्करं मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूतमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारी परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनादिभुवनं पुण्या रामायण महानदी वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीत् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः मङ्गलं कौसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणाब्धये चक्रवर्ती तनुजाय सार्वभौमाय मङ्गलम् सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय भलो भाई सब संतन की जय। A companion like Lakshmana for Rama is of great importance in everybody's life to counsel at the right time, to act for the right purpose. Not only sharing the feelings and emotions which Rama had been going through, supporting him in all various situations, and taking the burden off Rama's shoulders. Had it not been Lakshmana, Rama would have probably either succumbed to human feelings and emotions, and they would have perhaps taken more time to complete his task. Every character had a significant role to play. That is the beauty of the author, composer, as well as, even if though it's happened to highlight such a personality, every character having the role properly played and making sure that the final goal is accomplished. How they are helpful in the entire situation. That is what is seen here. So while Rama had lamented and complained about Sugriva's incompetence, his laziness, his relaxing, is not fulfilling his side of the promise. And accordingly, Lakshmana had decided that he would act on it. So being instructed by Rama, he continues here in the verse number 9, that is Sarga 31. So grajenanushishtartam shishtarto
Grajenanushishtartho
yatavat purushashavah
yathavat purusharshabah
pravivesha purim viro
pravivesha purim viro
Lakshmana paraviraha
Lakshmana paraviraha
tatah shubhamati prajno
tatah shubhamati prajno
pratu priyahite ratah
Bratu priyahite ratah
Lakshmana pratisamrabdho
Lakshmana prati samrabdho
jagama bhavanam kapehe
Jagama bhavanam kapehe
chakrabhanasana prakyam
Chakrabanasana prakyam
dhanukalantakopamam
Dhanukalantakopamam
pragrihya girishringabam
Pragrihya girishringabam
Mandarasanumaniva
Mandarasanumaniva
yatoktakari vachanam
Yatoktakari vachanam
uttaram chaivatsottaram
Uttaram chaiva sottaram
brihaspati samo buddhya
Bruhaspati samo buddhya
matva ramanujastata
Matva ramanujastada
saha agrajena anushishtartaha agrajena ramena anushishtartaha being instructed yatavat as is Purusharshabha, Purusheshu Rishabha, the bull among men. Lakshmanaha, Paraviraha, Paraviram Hanti. Paraviram means the one who is able to kill, destroy the power of the opponents. Viraha, Pravivesha Purim. He entered the city of Kishkanda. Here, there are so many beautiful adjectives are given. Shubhamatihi, Prajnaha, Bratuhu, Priyahite Rataha, Lakshmanaha. Shubhamatihi, one who has a auspicious mind. Prajnaha, intelligent. Bratuhu, brother. Priyahite Rataha, he always delights in doing the best for his own dear ones. Thereafter, Lakshmanaha, Tataha, Lakshmanaha. Samrabdha, from Pratisamrabdha, got indignant about the behavior of Sugriva. Kapehe Prati Samrabdaha, Kapehe Bhavanam Jagam. It can be Kapehe, can be there, both Kapehe Prati Samrabdaha. Kapehe Bhavanam Jagama. He went to the abode of the monkey. And his bow and arrow that he had carried in his hand, Chakrabhanasana Prakyam. It is equal to that of the bow that is carried by Indra, which is Vajra, which is equal to that of a Vajram. Kalanta Kopamam, Kalantaka Upamam, equal to that of Kalantaka, end of time, meaning Yama. Pragrihya, and having held in his hand those very Danuhu Pragrihya, Danush Shabda, therefore Danuhu Pragrihya. And that is not only powerful but also beautiful. Giri Shringa Upamam. Shringabam, Abam Samam. Giri Shringa. Sringagiri, Sringeri. Sringeri, the place where one of the Shankaracharya's mutt is there in Karnataka. Sringagiri, it's a beautiful mountain peak. It is said that while Bhagavan Shankaracharya was traveling in the south, one of his sojourns, visits, at that time he was looking for a place where he can establish a matta. At that time, he saw a very interesting sight. It was raining, and at that time, one frog, pregnant frog, struggling to get into a shadow or a abode to protect itself, struggling, moving. At that time, there came a snake. A snake with his hood raised came, and Shankaracharya was watching what is going to happen now. And the snake came there looking at that frog. It looked and then protected him, protected the frog with his hood until the rain got over. And then when the rain got over, it just went off. We think animals don't think. They don't have the sensitivity. In fact, if you look at carefully, many such occasions, many occasions where they act more human than human. So in that place where divinity was very evident, frog and elephant cannot be together. Obviously, they are Paramavairis. At a place where it can be losing their enmity and help each other compassionately is something which is no doubt very divine. At once, Bhagavan Shankaracharya said, this is the place where divinity is so manifest. Let us have the mutt here. That is how it is said, Sringagiri became one of the most important disciple of his, Sureshwaracharya, who also wrote commentary on the Shankara Bhashya, commentary on the Shankara Bhashya. Tika he wrote on Brahma Sutra. Sureshwaracharya was made the Shankaracharya of that place to propagate the teachings from Yajurveda. Chinmaya Mission is connected to, associated with Sringeri Shankaracharya Mutt. And therefore, the Veda that Chinmaya Mission is supposed to uphold, of course, all the Vedas are equally important, Yajurveda. So, Taittiriya Upanishad is part of Yajurveda. Yajurveda Shaka. So here, Sringagiri, that's what I'm trying to. Giri Sringabhabam, equal to that of the beauty of the peak of Sringagiri, peak of the Giri. Mantara Giri Sringabhabam. Mantara is considered as one of the best of the mountains. Sanumaniva, Sa-Anumaniva, equal to that of the Anumana, resembling. Anumana, resemblance. That's Anumana Pramana, inferential. Yadoktakari vachanam uttaram chaiva sa uttaram. Yadoktakari, he the one who is doing things obediently as instructed. He started to think about what is that he's going to say, vachanam, and what will be the possible reply that he will get from Sugriva for his inadvertence, uttaram. And for that reply of Sugriva, what should be my response? So uttaram, buddhya matva, in his own mind thinking, who? Lakshmana, Brihaspati Samaha. Like a Brihaspati, the one who is considered as the teacher of the Devas, Brihaspati Samaha, Buddhya Matva, Ramanujaha, Lakshmanaha tada. Kamakrodha Samuttena,
कामक्रोधसमुत्थेन
Pratu Krodhagnina Vritaha,
भ्रातक्रोधाग्निनावृतः
Prabhanjana Iva Pritaha.
प्रभञ्जनैव प्रीतः
Priyayau Lakshmanastada, Prayayau Lakshmanastada,
प्रययौ लक्ष्मणस्ततः
Tala Shvakarnascha,
तालतालाश्वकर्णाश्च
Tarasa Padayan Balat,
तरसा पातयन् बलात्
Aryasyan Girikutani,
पर्यस्यन् गिरिकूटानि
Drumananyanscha Vegitaha,
द्रुमानन्याश्च वेगितः
Shilascha Shakali Kurvan,
शिलाश्च शकलीकुर्वन्
Padbhyam Gaja Iva Shugaha,
पद्भ्यां गज इवाशुगः
Durame Kapadam Diktaktva,
दूरमेकपदं त्यक्त्वा
Yayau Karyavashat Drutam,
ययौ कार्यवशाद्रुतं
Tamapashyat Kirnam,
तामपश्यद्बलाकीर्णां
Hariraja Mahapurim,
हरिराजमहापुरीं
Durgamikshvagushardulah,
दुर्गामिक्ष्वाकुशार्दूलः
Kishkindam Girisankate,
किष्किन्धां गिरिसङ्कटे
Roshat Praspuramanoshtah,
रोषात् प्रस्फुटमानोष्टः
Sugrivam Pradilakshmanah,
सुग्रीवं प्रति लक्ष्मणः
Tadarshavanaran Bhiman,
ददर्श वानरान् भीमान्
Kishkindayam Bahistaran,
किष्किन्धायां बहिश्चरान्
Krodhagnina Vritaha, enveloped by the Krodha Agni, the fire of anger. Kama Krodha Samuttena, Kamascha Kromascha. These are all considered as rajasic qualities. At this point, obviously, he had the rajasic tendency, no doubt, because the Kama came from desire to serve his own brother who had pangs about separation. Krodha because Sugriva had not completed his task which is supposed to be done. Kama Krodha Samuttena Krodhagnina Vritaha Bratuhu, the brother, Apritaha Prabhanjana Iva Apritaha Lakshmanaha Stada Prayayo. Apritaha. Not that he is approaching the place with any kind of a calm mind or a loving approach. He is really frustrated, displeased about Sugriva. Prayayo, he moved on. Prabhanjana, Iva. Prabhanjana means bunch. Bunch is to break. And breaking everything. Prabhanjana Iva. Prabhanjana, what is that which breaks everything? Wind. Windbreaker. It destroys everything on its way when it starts. The interesting thing is, at least when water, when it comes as a flood, you will notice it. Wind, when it starts, you cannot know it. You do not know from which direction it is coming and how powerful it is. You cannot gauge it, because water, when it starts to flow you can see it and run to the opposite direction. But when the wind comes, you would not know the speed and how powerful you and which direction it is coming. So in the same way here, Prapanjanaiva, Sala, Tala, Ashva, Ashvakarna, these are all various kinds of trees which are well rooted. Tarasa, so quickly. Padayan balat, Padayan, making them fall down. Patati, Padayati, Padayan, while thus making them all fall, felling them, balat, out of his strength. And Girikotani Pariyasan, Pariyasan, throwing away. Girikotani, the top of the mountains, that is the power of Lakshmana there. Pariyasan, Girikutani, Druman, Anyanscha, and our various trees also which are grown there, Vegitaha, with such a speed, rapidly. Even the big rocks, Shilascha Shakali Kurvan, fragmenting, destroying, breaking, making into pieces. Padbhyam, with his own foot. Gaja iva ashugaha, ashugaha, like an elephant when it starts with a very mad elephant when it moves. Ashugachadi, the ashugaha, very fast, swiftly moving. And every step that he took was a leap. Durameka padam tyaktva yayau. The distance between the one step to another was so long strides. Durame kapadam tektva yayau karyavashat dhrutam, because he understood that he cannot wait anymore. The time is already elapsed. It's quickly need to be completed, the task. Durame kapadam tektva yayau karyavashat, due to the pressing need of the time, the pressing need of the action to be done. Tam apashyat. Then what he saw? Tam Hariraja Mahapurim Balakirnam Durgam Kishkindam Girisankade Tam apashyat. He saw the very Kishkinda city, which is Hariraja Mahapuri. It is the the abode of the king of the monkeys. Bala Akirnam, very well, fortress very well built, filled with strength. Durgam, difficult to access. Giri Sankate, between two mountains, it is placed. Kishkindam, Ikshvaku, Shardula, Apashyat. The best of the Ikshvaku dynasty, Lakshmana saw it. And also he saw, as he was proceeding there, Vanaran Dadarsha Lakshmana, he saw, while he was proceeding to meet with Sugriva, Sugrivam Prati Roshat Praspuramana Oshtaha. And while he was thus thinking about Sugriva approaching the Kishkinda Nagari, and he was pressing his lips in so, and it was because he was trembling. Praspuramana, trembling, quivering. It's because of the rosha, because of the anger that he has towards Sugriva. Sugrivam prati roshat praspuramana oshtaha Lakshmana Bhiman Vanaran Kishkindayam Bahischaran Dadarsha. Just outside the city, near the fort where the entry should be, Bahischaran, roaming around, huge monkeys. If you have seen the movies like King Kong, etc., chimpanzees and such, they are also monkey category only. They can stand straight like human, and from a distance it looks like there is a big mountain there moving around. They are extremely powerful. And so he saw that place is not very easily accessible. Tam drishtva vanara sarve
Tam drishtva vanara sarve
Lakshmanam Purushashabam
Lakshmanam Purusharshabham
Shailashringani Shadashaha
Shailashrungani Shatashaha
Pravruddham Chamahiruhan
Pravruddham cha Mahiruhan
Jagrahu Kunchara Prakhyaha
Jagruhu Kunjara Prakhya
Vanara Parvadantare
Vanara Parvatantare
Tan Grihita Praharanan
Tan Gruhita Praharanan
Sarvan Drishtva Tu Lakshmanaha
Sarvan Drishtva tu Lakshmanaha
Babhuva Dvigunam Kruddo
Babhuva Dvigunam Kruddo
Vaknindana Ivanalaha
Bafnindhana Ivanalaha
Tam te Paritanga
Tam te Bhayaparitangaha
Shubdam Drishtva Plavangamaha
Shubdam Drishtva Plavangamaha
Kala Mrityu Yugantabham
Kalamrityu Yugantabham
Tadasho Vidrutadishaha
Shatasho Vidrutadishaha
Tadasugriva Bhavanam
Tatas Sugriva Bhavanam
Pravishya Haripungavaha
Pravishya Haripungavaha
Rodhamagamanam Chaiva
Krodhamagamanam chaiva
Lakshmanasya Nyavedayan
Lakshmanasya Nyavedayan
Tam Vanaraha Sarve Lakshmanam Tam Drishtva Purushashabam Lakshmanam Tam Drishtva. Those Vanaras also, when they saw Lakshmana, who is the bull among the men, and those Vanaras also, who are all huge, Shailashringani Sadashaha, and they are like a mount, they have Jagrahu held on in their hand, Shailashringani, the peak of the mountain in their hand, Sadashaha in hundreds, and Pravruddhan Mahiruhan, also the trees that were very well grown on the mountains also holding in their hand, Kunchara Prakhyaha, equal to Prakhyaha, resembling like that of the huge elephants, Vanaraha, Parvatantare, between the mountains, they were also standing ready to attack on Lakshmana with their hands holding on to the mountain peaks as well as the trees that are grown there. They look like a huge elephants. Lakshmanaha tan drishtva sarvan grihita praharanan. So he also saw them, which are all ready to attack him, holding on to their weapons. Dvigunam kruddaha babhuva. He became more angry, double. Twice he became more angry. Like what? Vakni indana iva analaha. Just like a fire, when it is burning, you add more fuel to it. How it blazes forth a little more. In the same way, Lakshmana, looking at the welcome party, he already is angry with Sugriva. Now, his battalion is ready to attack on him, as though he's an enemy. Unwelcoming welcome. So, tamte bhaya parita angaha kshubdam drishtva plavangamaha. But the fury of Lakshmana is much more than what they can bear. They all, plavangamaha, the monkeys, plavangamaha means they just jump from place to place. They don't walk, they don't quietly walk, run. No, they jump and leap. Plavangamaha, kshubdam, agitated, Lakshmanam, who is the tam shubdam drishtva, the one who is extremely agitated, even looking at the monkeys. Baya parita angaha, the whole, all the body, entire body parts are filled with fear. And how is Lakshmana? One who is agitated, kala mrityu yugandabam, yuganta, like probably Yama or even Shiva, who has taken the form of a furious form of end of the world, as annihilator of the world. Kala mrityu, the one who is the time, end of everything, in the form of dissolution. And when they saw Lakshmana such furiously agitated and then coming towards them, Shatashaha, in 100, Vidruta Dishahi, they ran in 100 different directions. 100 of them, different direction they ran. Shatashaha, Dishaha Vidrutaha. Druta means to run. So Vidrutaha, they ran helter-skelter there. So then Haripungavaha Sugriva Bhavanam Tataha Pravishya, having entered the abode of Sugriva, Sugriva Bhavanam Haripungavaha Pravishya, Lakshmanasya Krodha Agamanam Lakshmanasya Nyavedayan. They submitted to the authorities or probably the ministers who are standing there. To them, they submitted that Lakshmana has come filled with anger. Taraya sahitakami.
Taraya sahitakami.
Taktak kapivrshastada.
Taktak kapivrshastada.
Natesham kapisimhanam.
Natesham kapisimhanam.
Susravavachanam tada.
Susravavachanam tada.
Tadasajiva sandishtaha.
Tatastachiva sandishtaha.
Harayo romaharshanaha.
Harayo romaharshanaha.
Girikunjara meghabaha.
Girikunjara meghabhaha.
Nagaran niryayustada.
Nagaran niryayustada.
Nagadam strayuta sarve.
Nakadam strayudha sarve.
Veera vikruta darshanaha.
Veera vikruta darshanaha.
Sarve shardula damstrascha.
Sarve shardula damstrascha.
Sarve vivruta darshanaha.
Sarve vivrita darshanaha.
Dashanaga balaha kechit.
Dashanagabala kechit.
Dashanaga balat kechit.
Dashanagabala kechit.
Kechit dashagunottaraha.
Kechit dashagunottaraha.
Kechinnaga sahasrasya.
Kechinnaga sahasrasya.
Babovustulya Babovustulya varchasaha.
Babovustulya varchasaha.
But at the same time, Sugriva, who was there in the Bhavanam, correct. Not Bhuvanam, is here, the Bhavanam, in that palace, he did not even pay heed to them. Taraya Sahita Kami, along with the Tara, he was so involved in sensuous pleasure. Kami Saktaha Kabi Vrashaha Stada, the bull of the among the monkeys. Na Tesham Sushrava. He did not listen to them. Kabi Simhanam Tesham Vachanam na Sushrava. Tada. He did not listen to them. He just, what do you want? Chalo, don't even disturb me here. Totally engrossed in his own carnal pleasures. So if a king is like that, that is said the Rome was burning and then the king was playing flute, like that. It's totally, and he did not know what is the danger that is coming there. So now when the king is not listening, what can they do? So tadaha sachiva sandishtaha harayaha romaharshanaha. So when the Sugriva was not paying heed, they looked at the ministers who are surrounding him. They said, just run away from here, don't stay. So they were ordered by the ministers, Areha, Romaharshana, very look of them. Those monkeys are so huge. Look of them, your hair can stand straight, hair on the body. Romaharshana. Giri Kunjara Mega Baha, equal to that of a Giri, a mountain. Kunjara, or an elephant. Mega, like a cloud. These three are given as the description of those monkeys because Giri means informidable, unformidable, strongs. Kunjara, it is to say they are moving. Megha, to say that they are of the color of the Megha, like a dark cloud. So dark, moving like an elephant with huge like a mountain. Nagara niryayuhu tada. They just ran away from that very city itself. They cannot face, because we do not know why Lakshmana is coming. He's not there to coming for attack. Probably yes, probably not. And they also know about Lakshmana being this brother of Rama, who could destroy Vali, their own commander in general, who cannot be conquered by anybody. Such a prince is coming. They were running helter-skelter, but at the same time, they were not sure whether to attack him or to stay still and then protect the Sugriva or run away. Anyway, they moved away from the city. Naka damshra ayudaha. What are their weapons? Naka, their own claws. Damshra, and their own teeth. Ayuda, sarve viraha. Vikrida darshanaha. Terrible looking. Sarve shardula damshtrascha. They had their teeth like that of a tiger, very sharp. Shardula damshtrascha. Sarve. Vivrida darshanaha. Vikrida darshanaha, vivrida darshanaha. Vikrida means terrible. Vivrida means they were boldly manifesting, openly. Their eyes, their teeth are so strong, heavy, huge. When they open their mouth, entire teeth, it looks like a whole rock, like a rock formation. Dasha Naga Balaha. Some of them are Kechit. Dasha Naga Balaha. They are equal to that of 10 elephants in their strength. Kechit Dasha Gunottaraha. They are Dasha Guna. They are 10 times more than that of the power of elephants. Kechit Naga Sahasrasya. Some of them as strong as 1,000 elephants strong. We don't understand how that could be, It is as simple as, horsepower of the vehicle. They say 10 horsepower, 100 horsepower, 1,000 horsepower. What is a 1,000 horsepower? If 1,000 horses, how much power they have in their running capacity? One horse itself is such a speed. 10 horses is 10 times that of 1,000 horsepower means how fast, how quickly 1,000 horses can run. 1,000 times of a horsepower. Similarly, here, Naga Sahasrasya, Babuhu Tulya Varchasaha, that strength of that kind, that much of energy, that much of power they had. Now, Lakshmana looking at them, will he get afraid of them? He has come for a task. He will not finish it without completing, he will not return. That is the greatness of any leader. Take up something, complete it. Don't run away off the way through. See till the end, whatever happens. Halfway through, I can't do this. I think I'm afraid of it. Then you should not have started it. Anything you take up in your hand, making sure that whatever happens, even if I die for it, let me finish this. But before you take up, you should think. But after having taken in your hand, determined to do, complete it. You should never stop. And that comes only when you have complete trust in oneself and complete trust in the goal and the complete trust in Bhagavan. Then only you will have the enormous strength to accomplish. So here, Lakshmana is totally dedicated to Rama. Whatever Rama says, that is the ultimate word. Whatever happens, let me finish this. So thus, he was not afraid of all these people. Looking at all the monkeys, Tadastai kabibih vyaptam.
Tatastai kapibhirvyaptam.
Vyaptam, correct. Drumahastair mahabalaihi.
Drumahastair mahabalaihi.
Apashyat Lakshmana kruddaha.
Apashya Lakshmana kruddaha.
Kishkindam tam durasadam.
Kishkindam tam durasadam.
Adaste harayas sarve.
Tataste harayas sarve.
Prakara pariswantarat.
Prakara parikhantarat.
Parikantarat, correct. Nishkramyoda. Its printing is not good. Nishkramyodagra satvastu.
Nishkramyo dagra satvastu.
Tastura vishkrutam tada.
Tastura vishkrutam tada.
Sugrivasya pramadam cha.
Sugrivasya pramadam cha.
Purvajasyartamatmavan.
Purvajasyarthamatmavan.
Drishtva krodavasham viraha.
Drishtva krodhavasham viraha.
Punareva jagamasaha.
Punareva jagamasaha.
Sadirghoshna mahoshvasaha.
Sadirghoshna mahochvasaha.
Kopasamraktalochanaha.
Kopasamraktalochanaha.
Babhuva narashardulaha.
Babhuva narashardulaha.
Saduma iva pavakaha.
Sadhumaiva pavakaha.
Panashalyaspuranjikvaha.
Banashalyatpurajjihvaha.
Sayakasana bhogavan.
Sayakasana bhogavan.
Swadejo visasambhutaha.
Swatejo vishasambhutaha.
Panchasya iva pannagaha.
Panchasyaiva pannagaha.
So now he looked at the tadaha taihi kabibihi vyaptam, the very city which is filled with, surrounded by such kind of kapis, monkeys. Drumahastaihi, with their hands holding on to various trees. Mahabalaihi, by those which are filled with strength. Apashyat Lakshmana kruddaha, the angry Lakshmana looked at them. Tam Gishkindam dur asadam apashyat. That very city which is dur asadam, very difficult to conquer. Te harayaha sarve, those monkeys are also prakara parikantarat. So they are also outside the fort, which is surrounded by a very deep ditch. The ditch, or the what? No, we cannot call ditch. Actually, they filled with water, so that it is not easy to cross unless you have a bridge. You might have seen some of the historical movies might have shown that fort is there, but even before the fort, there will be a huge, long, lengthy ditch, deep also. And sometimes they were also filled with crocodiles, etc. You cannot just get into the water. You cannot cross the water also unless there is a bridge that is. And then they close the bridge, remove the bridge every night so that nobody can, or in general, they close it so that nobody can come unless there is a special permission. So thus, therefore, Nishkramya, crossing over, and Nishkramya Udagra Sattvastu. Udagra means increased. Udagra Sattvaha, strength. Tastuhu, they stood there. Avishkritam tada. Avishkritam, they were Avishkritam, in manifesting themselves completely, standing there, revealing themselves fully, so that by looking at them in large number, Lakshmana perhaps would get dissuaded to go back. But at the same time, the pramada means the erroneous behavior of Sugriva. Sugrivasya pramadam cha purvajasya artham, and also the task that has to be completed for the sake of his own brother, Atmavan. Even though usually very self-controlled Lakshmana, Krodavasham, now it is his own, totally overwhelmed by the anger. Because of what? Sugrivasya pramadam cha drishtva, seeing in his mind or focusing in his mind the failure on the part of Sugriva. Punareva jagamasaha. Again, he moved forward only. He did not go back. And he was breathing very heavily. Dirgha ushna maha ushwasaha. Mahoshwasaha. Shwasaha. His breathing was ushna, hot, dirgha, long. He's taking the deep breath, which is like a heat wave. Kopa samrakta lochanaha. The eyes were shot with anger. Narashardulaha, tiger among men. Babuva, he became Saduma iva pavakaha. It is like a fire covered with smoke. One commentator writes here saying that the fire is the anger and the Duma is the hot air that came out of the nostrils of Lakshmana. So Kopa is the Agni, and the air, that the breathing that he had, that is like a Duma, that like a smoke. Bana Shalpas Puran Jihvaha. And the arrows that he had, they had sharp ends. They are called spikes. Those spikes are looking like that of the tongue of snakes. Snake has the tongue, which has the venom, and that sharp ones, that with which only it will discharge the poison. Those sharp tongue, they are not single tongue, they are split in between. And the split tongue, the arrow that he carried looked like that of the split tongue of the snakes. Sayakasana Bhogavan. Sayakasana means the very bow that he was carrying, it looked like a snake, and the arrows that is placed there on that are looking like that of the tongue. What is the poison? Swatecha Vishasambhuta. His own brilliance is considered as the poison, one's own strength that is there of Lakshmana is considered as the very poison there. Panchasa iva pannagaha. And they look like the five-hooded snake, pannagaha. So the snake which has 5 hoods. Lakshmana is only Adishesha Bhagavan's avatar. Adishesha He's the one which is constantly protecting Vishnu. So why do Vishnu needs protection, you may ask? He himself is the protector. Why does he need? He doesn't need, but he's only showing that he is a lord of all beings, including those which are dreaded of causing fear to the whole to the world. The Adishesha, the huge snake, is also under the command of the Lord. That is what is shown there. Even so-called the Adishesha, which is considered so terrible, is also in front of the Lord, is a sevak. So that is to say, Bhagavan is lying down, Adishesha is protecting him. It is not protection, it is accompanying him. It is like Bhagavan Shiva also has got a snake. It is, what is it for? Is he poisonous? No, no, no. It is to say, even this snake, which is crawling on my neck, is under my command only. Even those which are dreaded by you. See, it is interesting. Bhagavan Vishnu lying on the snake. Bhagavan Shiva carrying the snake. Bhagavan, what do you call, Muruga, he is also having snake on his body. Ganesha will wear like a belt. He's wearing that snake as a belt. So all of them are seen like that. Which is to say that even those dreaded and feared by people in general are also in front of the Lord, divine. So that's why here he was none other than Adishesha himself. So he is showing his power there at that point. And it is said that the entire universe is sitting on the hood of the earth, is sitting on the hood of the Adishesha. So obviously he is not afraid of any one of them there, but he is causing fear to the monkeys. Tam deeptamiva kalagnim.
Tam deeptamiva kalagnim.
Nagendramiva kopitam.
Nagendramiva kopitam.
Samasadyanga Samasadyangada trasat.
Samasadyangadastrasad.
Vishadam agamat param.
Vishadamagamat param.
Songatam roshatam rakshaha.
Songadam roshatam rakshaha.
Sandidesha mahayashaha.
Sandidesha mahayashaha.
Sugriva katyatam vatsa.
Sugriva katyatam vatsa.
Mamagamanamithyuta.
Mamagamanamithyuta.
Esha Ramanuja praptaha.
Esha Ramanuja praptaha.
Vatsakasham arindama.
Vatsakasham marindama.
Pradurvyasana santapto.
Bhraturvyasana santapto.
Dvari tishtati lakshmanaha.
Dvari tishtati lakshmanaha.
Asya vakyam yadiruchihi.
Tasya vakyam yadiruchihi.
Kriyatam sadhuvanara.
Kriyatam sadhuvanara.
Ityuktva shigramagacha.
Ityuktva shigramagacha.
Vatsa vakyam arindama.
Vatsa vakyam arindama.
When he was standing like this, facing all the monkeys, the young prince Angada was there. So, kopitam nagendramiva kopitam tam deeptamiva kalagnim deeptamiva. So the fire, the fire that brings end to the world, that is called kalagni, which is blazing forth. He looked like that. Tam deeptamiva kalagnim and kopidam nagendramiva, and angry like the Nagendra, one who's Naganan Indra. It's Adishesha, you can say, or Vasuki, one of those. See, there are what do we call as Naga? There are many words for the snake also. snake, serpent, srip, sarpati, therefore sarpaha. Sarpaha is that which crawls. Srip is to crawl. Sarpati, srip, sarpati, therefore sarpa it's called. And in English becomes serpent. And naga become snake. So snake, pannaga, anaga, many words are there. And naga is also referring to the snake only. It is said some of them have the ability to open their hood. Some of them don't have that ability to open their hood. Some of them kill by poison. Some of them kill by their very, like, what do they call that? They are so huge, thick and so huge, they just by tightening you, growing around you and tighten themselves and kill you.
Pythons,
Sorry, correct, pythons. So pythons are those which may not have poison, but they just by enveloping you in their body and then tightening it, they squeeze your life out of you. So there are varieties of such things are there. And here he is poisonous with the hood, Nagendra, Kopitam. Angadaha samasadya, approaching him, trasad, out of fear, vishadam agamat param, and he also became filled with sadness. Why Lakshmana? He knew the whole thing, that how Vali, his own father, was killed by Rama, and obviously for certain reasons. And Angada had great reverence for Rama, as much as he has a respect for Sugriva. And why do they have to fight? And what is the reason Lakshmana is so upset about it? So he came there. So Roshatamrakshaha Lakshmanaha Mahayashaha, the well-known Lakshmana, Rosha Tamrakshaha, his eyes were like copper because of the anger. Angadam Sandidesha, he commanded that very Angada, hey Vatsa, oh dear one, and like a calf, oh dear. Sugrivaha Katyatam, go to Sugriva and tell this. Mama Agamanam. I have come, Lakshmana has come. That also, Ityuta. Uta means also. Please tell him also about my coming here. Also, Esha Ramanujaha, this very brother of Rama, Prapta Tvat Sakasham Arindama. He has already arrived at your abode. Dwari Tishtati Lakshmana. He is standing at the door of your fort. Why is he there? Bratuhu Vyasanat Santaptaha, agitated because of the afflictions his own brother is going through. That much, if you tell, he will know it. Because he will then remember, oh, I was so caught up in my own pleasures, forgot about what I need to do. And in case he is able to recognize this, Tasya Vakyam Yadi Ruchihi, and tell him also, if you would like to listen to him, then do accordingly. Sadhu Kriyatam, then accordingly you act, O Vanara. In this way, you go and tell him, Iti Uktva Shigramagacha. You're saying this, he did not give much details to him, to Angada. Just tell him, Lakshmana has arrived at the entrance, and if you would like to listen to him and act accordingly, do so. In this way, you just go and tell. Shigramagacha. Evatsa. Vakyam yuktva shigramagacha. Saying what I have told you. And E Arindama, O one who is destroyer of the enemy, go and tell him. This way, Angada is sent as a Duta. Now you see, a messenger need not have to tell all the details of what needs to be done. He just have to indicate. And if the king is alert enough, he will definitely know what that message is all about. When you are sending the, earlier times they sent telegram, and you every letter, every word has got, you have to pay money for that. So concise, how precisely you write is very important. Sometimes it makes a totally different message also. So, so the messenger needs to carry only that short message. The fellow who is sending would know that the other fellow, by reading it, can understand what I am conveying. So here he didn't give the details to Angada. He said, just tell him that if you would like to listen to him, come back, come out. So that's all he had sent as the message, and Angada will proceed to Sugriva to convey that as well. Aganita guna gana bhushana Rama, Ashrita vatsala jaya jaya Rama, Ayodhyavasi Sita Rama, Apat bandhava jaya jaya Rama, Dasharatha nandana Sri Rama, Dashamukha mardana jaya jaya Rama, Kausalya Sukhavardhana Rama, Kamita Palata Jaya Jaya Rama, Papa Vimochana Sri Rama, Pattabhirama Jaya Jaya Rama, Janaki Jeevana Sita Rama, Jaya Raghurama Jaya Siya Rama, Vanara Sevida Sri Rama, Varidhi Vandana Jaya Jaya Rama, Hanumat Pujita Sita Rama, Jaya Raghurama Jaya Siya Rama, Raghavati Raghava Raja Rama, Patita Pavana Sita Rama, Sri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama, Sri Ram Jaya Ram Jaya Jaya Rama, Siyavara Ramachandra ki Jai, Pavana Sutta Hanuman ki Jai, Umapati Mahadeva ki Jai, Bolo Bhai Sab Santan ki Jai.